This is a McKeon AC8800. It's got egress glass on it. It's got a vision panel since we're in the lobby, so you can see through. So if anybody needs to egress into or out of the elevator, they can use this egress feature. It's on both sides, located in the same position. You have your view light here so that you can see through. Make sure there's no hazard on one side or the other. You hit this button. The door will open up the desired amount. Now it's not under alarm, so it's not going to come back in, but after a 10-second delay, the unit will close back into the closed position and keep this safe, area safe as well. So. There is a safety edge located at the front of this unit as well. The unit is deploying and there's somebody standing in front of it. It's a 2-wire connector, so as soon as these 2 wires touch, the unit will stop. Now if it's under alarm, it is required that it will stop, try again, stop, try again, do that 3 times. And then once that is done, it will stop in the last position that it could and close as much as possible.